Hello, welcome to the Repair Specialist, and I want to say first of all a huge thank you for clicking through to this video, and for those who have subscribed to me. It really gives me the motivation to keep making content like this. And so in this video I'm going to show you how I unknot a chainsaw chain. And I've put this video together upon a few requests I've had of people who have been a little frustrated when they get a new chain and they open it out of the bag and it's all knotted up. And really, to correct this and unknot it is just a couple of simple moves away. But of course, unless you know them, it can be very, very frustrating. And it can seem impossible to untangle. So we've got a chain here now, we've just took it out the bag, and it looks a right knotted mess. But the first thing I do is put it on a flat table like this and just pull it out as much as it will pull out like this. Basically make it as tidy as we can and try and make a circle. So go right round, and if we do that we'll most commonly find a couple of loop knots like this, and it's these that can be hard to remove. And as we can see with these two loop knots, this loop knot is on the outside of the chain's circle and the other loop knot over here is on the inside of the circle, so they're on opposite sides. And to remove these loop knots we need them both on the same side, so we take one loop knot and pull the top of the chain over the second loop knot just like this, and that'll remove the first loop knot and it will put another loop knot there, so they're side to side. Now they're both facing the outside of the chain. So now we turn this over so we can see it like this, and we can see the two loop knots now are facing out of the chain. Once again, let's make sure that they're both facing downwards out of the chain. That's the important part. At this stage both loop knots should be a mirror image of each other. They should roll out and over the top like this, away from each other. So if we were to take a look at the top, they roll outwards like that, away from each other. Once we're sure that's correct, we take each loop knot like this, one in each hand, and then we pull back on the top chain, the one that's rolled over the top of the bottom chain, and we keep pulling until it's right over the bottom one. And then we find then, once we've done that, we've got a chain there that has no knots at all. And so that was just a very quick video of how I remove these types of knots from chainsaw chain. And I've only shown the most common type of knot I come across here, but I've tried to simplify it as best I can, and it really is easy to remove these knots once you know how to do so. And so thank you so much for watching, and if you've benefited from this video in any way, then please do like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching my dad's video. Don't forget to subscribe.